Nightingale still with that bubbly, charismatic and amiable smile on her face, but I mean she hasn't got something of worth to say. Let's hear the TBS champion wants to say.
Infectious smile, just really a great person.